When it comes to renting servers or deploying infrastructure, one key question comes first. Where exactly will your data be physically hosted? This determines how many hours per year your services will remain available, what happens in the event of a power failure, and whether scheduled maintenance can be performed without business downtime. The standard approach is to rent a server from the first provider you come across and simply hope everything works. This almost always leads to outages at the worst possible moments, during a sale, a reporting period, or right in the middle of an important client demo. A more reliable option is to choose a provider that hosts its infrastructure in Tier 3 and Tier 4 data centers. This is exactly how HOSTKEY operates. Reliability tiers, Tier 1 to 4, are an international classification system developed by the Uptime Institute. They rank data centers based on their level of redundancy and expected uptime. The higher the tier, the more redundancy is built into the infrastructure and the lower the allowable annual downtime. Tier 1, basic level, a single path for power and cooling with no redundancy of critical components. Availability is 99.671%, which equals up to 28.8 hours of downtime per year. Suitable for test environments and small projects where outages are not critical. Tier 2, redundant components level, uses an N+1 redundancy model. If one component fails, a backup can take over. Availability is 99.741%, around 22 hours of downtime per year. However, scheduled maintenance may still require partial system shutdowns. Tier 3, concurrently maintainable level, provides multiple power and cooling distribution paths, with one active at a time. Critical components are redundant using an N+1 scheme. The key advantage is that infrastructure can be maintained without service interruptions. Availability is 99.982%, or about 1.6 hours of downtime per year. Tier 4, fault-tolerant infrastructure, fully independent and simultaneously active power and cooling paths, typically built on 2N or 2N+1 redundancy. The data center continues operating even if any single critical component fails. Availability is 99.995%, with no more than 26 minutes of downtime per year. HOSTKEY's main facilities in Europe and Turkey are certified as Tier 3, while the Zurich data center is Tier 4. This is a deliberate infrastructure choice driven by customer requirements rather than marketing. Tier 3 and Tier 4 environments provide something lower tiers cannot: the ability to perform maintenance without service downtime. Disk replacements, firmware updates, and power system maintenance all happen without customers noticing. Servers keep running, websites stay online, and APs continue responding. In addition, these data centers meet the requirements of regulated industries such as finance, e-commerce, healthcare, and SaaS. When every minute of downtime directly impacts revenue, cutting costs on data center reliability becomes the most expensive mistake. HOSTKEY servers are hosted in high-reliability data centers across Europe and Turkey. Amsterdam, Netherlands, EU Networks, Tier 3. London, UK, Redcentric. London City, Tier 3. Madrid, Spain, IaaS Data Center, Tier 3. Paris, France, DC2 SCALE, Velisi, Tier 3. Helsinki, Finland, Digita, Tier 3. Frankfurt, Germany, First Colo, Tier 3, TUV certified. Keflavik, Iceland, Verne Global, Tier 3. Milan, Italy, Redalit Avalon 2, Tier 3. Istanbul, Turkey, TI Sparkle, Tier 3, plus Zurich, Switzerland, NTS Workspace, Tier 4. All these facilities use modern infrastructure, operate on 100% green energy, and are fully CO2 neutral. When you rent a server from HOSTKEY in a Tier 3 or Tier 4 data center, you don't just get hardware in a rack. You get infrastructure with expected availability aligned with industry standards. This means services remain available during scheduled maintenance. Failure of a single power supply, cooling unit, or network line does not cause downtime. Infrastructure meets financial and healthcare regulatory requirements. Power and cooling redundancy is built into the data center itself, not added as an option. At the same time, customers do not need to understand redundancy schemes, negotiate with utility providers, or design high-availability architecture themselves. The data center tier already ensures it. The data center tier defines the real reliability of everything you deploy on top of it. HOSTKEY operates in Tier 3 and Tier 4 certified facilities. Expected uptime of 99.982% and higher, maintenance without service interruption, full power and cooling redundancy, and compliance with regulated industry standards. Tier 3 and Tier 4 locations are available across 10 sites in Europe and Turkey, run on green energy, and are supported by engineering teams 24/7. Choose a server in a suitable HOSTKEY data center. Link in the description.